Maayong gabi, Purok Dos. This is Jonah Shane Terfranca Oresga from Purok Dos Upper.
Contestant number 2.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Julian Siguya, proudly representing Purok 4.
Contestant number 3.
Angel Rose Ibanez, believing in a quotation of a wise man says, "A true beauty is not seen in the face, but it is seen in the light of the heart." Thank you.
Okay, now let's move on to contestant number 4.
To each and everyone. My name is Jamaica Garcado, 15 years old, representing Barangay Carmon, Burgos, Masatuan.
Okay, now contestant number 5.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Crystalline Pico, and I'm 18 years old. At naniniwala sa kasabihang hindi sa loob o sa panlabas na kanyaan ang nakikita ang pagtingin, kundi nandito sa inyong harapan. And I thank you.
Okay, again, let us welcome our Muse of the Night candidates. They've got the moves, but can they carry the style? Let's see our candidates as they showcase their personality in their casual attire competition. Let's bring them back on stage. Contestant number 1. Contestant number 4. Now let's welcome contestant number 5. Again, let us all welcome our 5 candidates. Ang